I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Snow showers this afternoon lasted to the evening. Some northwest wind gusts up to 25 to 35 could briefly reduce the visibilities. Any accumulations of snow should range from a trace to an inch. Behind another cold front, our highs tomorrow and Thursday, mostly in the upper 20s to the 30s, while southwest Nebraska and northern Kansas expect highs in the upper 30s to the 40s. Areas along the northeast of the line from York to Ord remain below freezing for tomorrow morning through Saturday morning. That colder air works a little more to the south and west on Friday for highs mainly in the upper 20s to the mid-30s, but northwest Kansas still warms to around 40. Eastern areas along and east of Highway 14 may see some light snow for Friday evening. A ridge of high pressure warms our highs into the upper 40s and mid-50s by Sunday and Monday. The next precipitation chance looks to stay mostly to our east early next week. The mild weather continues in the long-term forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures are likely to continue Sunday through December 23rd for Nebraska, Kansas, and nearly all of the U.S. Not much moisture is expected in Nebraska and Kansas, with near normal to slightly below normal precipitation indicated for Sunday through December 23rd. Key weather factors the markets are watching include a short-lived blast of very cold air, while the U.S. is mostly warmer than normal. In Argentina, only seeing patchy rain. On the central and southern plains, wheat benefited from recent wet weather, resulting in the wettest November on record in Oklahoma and the second wettest November in Kansas. A moisture-rich storm over the eastern U.S. leads to heavy rain amounts of 1 to 3 inches or more by late tomorrow along and east of a line from southeastern Louisiana to Lake Ontario. As colder air is drawn in, midweek precipitation may change to snow before ending from the central Appalachians into the northeast. Snow squalls also return to areas downwind of the Great Lakes. A late-week Midwestern and eastern U.S. cold spell is short-lived as warmer weather develops in advance of a series of Pacific storms. The lead storm Thursday races eastward, resulting in late-week Midwestern rain and snow. Another storm arrives late next week in the eastern U.S., and warmer than normal temperatures keep much of that moisture as rain. In Argentina, rain the middle to late part of this week falls mostly across the west and north, missing most key corn and soybean areas. Areas of Argentina that are lacking rainfall may expand with the pattern favoring scattered or spotty rain. Across Brazil, heavier rain in the south moves into central areas the next few days. More rain moves up from southern Brazil Friday and Saturday, keeping the conditions favorable for flowering to filling soybeans and developing corn. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.